Come, welcome to Assalamu alaikum. তো my কবিতা look and say my কবিতা name the village wife. তো Morisap river side is the look directed by MD Minarul Islam Gain. শুধু দর্শক মণ্ডলী, ইংলিশে আবৃত্তি করার আগে যদি ইংলিশ না বলা হয় তো মনে হয় যেন ও কিছুই জানে না। তো দি ভিলেজ ওয়াইফ কবিতা south side of the river Morisap, there is little village. Name of this village is Sri Kolosh. The sweet affection of this village, a lot of showdowns in heart. The sweet water of this village, crops grow left of the field. The village wife burning jar in her lap. The sweet honey of the river Morisap, to gift it to the cowboy. The village wife burning jar her lap. There is lot of fruits in the hand, making no earning. There is a vast water in Morisap. Gloomy boat delegate weather is blowing, twittering of the birds, jabbering body in making together there by the side of the broken stone in middle land. There are weather lilies fair in the middle midi of the side of the river. Village wife never go alone. Charming view of Pruti Bangla. Sri Kolosh is named by Onsil by Bron in Sri Kolosh. The herd become delegate. Afterlife I will comment with God. Afterlife I will comment with God. Sri Kolosh is my heart. Sri Kolosh is my heart. The French ident